The graph is a bar graph titled Forecasted Sales by Branch and Product. Let's break down the details. 1. Title and context. The graph displays the forecasted sales for two different products, A and B, over several years. The y-axis represents forecasted sales, in an unspecified unit, ranging from 0 to approximately 70,000. 2. Product A, blue bars. In year 0, both products have low forecasted sales. In year 3, product A's sales increase but remain lower than product B. In year 5, there's a decline in product A's sales, but it's still higher than in year 0. By year 8, product A's sales continue to decline. 3. Product B, orange bars. In year 0, product B also has low forecasted sales. In year 3, product B sales spike significantly, surpassing product A. In year 5, product B sales decrease but remain higher than in year 0. By year 8, product B sales increase again. 4. Overall trends. Both products experience fluctuations, but product B consistently outperforms product A. The graph suggests that product B is more successful overall.